The night of December 24th is a time of magic, a time when the world feels a little more connected and hearts open wide to the spirit of joy, love and giving. As the evening begins, the glow of twinkling lights illuminates homes and streets, casting a warm and inviting atmosphere. Families and friends come together to celebrate, creating memories that last a lifetime. The preparations start early in the day, with everyone contributing in their own way. The aroma of freshly baked cookies, spiced with cinnamon and nutmeg, fills the air. Kitchens buzz with activity as holiday feasts are prepared. Roasts, casseroles, and an array of desserts that promise to delight everyone. Children excitedly decorate sugar cookies with colorful icing and sprinkles, their laughter filling the room as they create edible masterpieces. The living room becomes the heart of the celebration. A beautifully adorned Christmas tree stands tall, its ornaments glinting in the soft light. Underneath, wrapped presents await eager hands, each gift chosen with thoughtfulness and care. Stockings hang over the fireplace, stuffed with small surprises and treats that will be opened the next morning. Soft holiday music plays in the background, creating a soothing and festive ambiance. As the evening draws closer, families and friends gather around the table for a special Christmas Eve dinner. The table is set with care, featuring a centerpiece of candles, evergreen branches, and perhaps a sprinkle of faux snow to evoke the winter season. Everyone takes a moment to give thanks, expressing gratitude for the blessings of the year and the joy of being together. The meal is savored slowly, with stories shared and laughter ringing out, uniting everyone in the spirit of the season. After dinner, the celebration continues with cherished traditions. For some, it's the reading of classic Christmas tales like The Night Before Christmas, bringing smiles to children's faces as they imagine Santa Claus preparing for his magical journey. For others, it's the lighting of candles and the singing of carols, voices blending in harmony as they share the joy of familiar tunes. A crackling fire in the fireplace invites everyone to gather around, blankets in hand, for a cozy evening. Hot cocoa with marshmallows or mugs of mulled cider are served, warming hands and hearts alike. The mood is relaxed, with quiet conversations and reflections on the meaning of Christmas. Some families might take a moment to remember loved ones who are no longer present, sharing fond memories and honoring their legacy. For those who observe religious traditions, attending a midnight church service becomes a cornerstone of the evening. Dressed in their best, they make their way to the church, where the solemn yet uplifting service celebrates the birth of Christ. The flicker of candlelight, the sound of the organ, and the collective voices of the congregation singing hymns create a moment of profound connection and reverence. Back at home, the excitement of the night builds as children prepare for bed. They hang their stockings, leave out a plate of cookies and a glass of milk for Santa, and perhaps a few carrots for his reindeer. Parents smile knowingly, indulging in the magic of the moment. The anticipation is palpable as little ones head to bed, whispering their wishes for Christmas morning. For adults, the night doesn't end just yet. There are last-minute preparations to be made, assembling toys, arranging gifts under the tree, and ensuring every detail is just right. It's a labor of love, driven by the desire to create a magical experience for the ones they cherish. Once everything is in place, they take a moment to sit together, enjoying the quiet beauty of the night. Outside, the world feels still and peaceful. The stars shine brightly in the night sky, and for those lucky enough to have snow, the ground sparkles like a blanket of diamonds. Some families take a late-night walk, bundled up against the cold, to admire the neighborhood lights and decorations. The crisp air and the sound of crunching snow underfoot add to the enchantment of the evening. The night of December 24th is not just about the traditions and festivities, it's about the intangible feelings it brings. It's a time to reconnect with loved ones, to show kindness and generosity, and to reflect on the blessings of the year. The magic of the night lies in the moments of togetherness, the acts of giving, and the shared joy that transcends differences. As the hours pass and midnight approaches, a sense of calm settles over the household. The lights on the tree twinkle softly, casting shadows that dance across the walls. Families take one last look at the beautiful scene they've created before heading to bed, their hearts full of gratitude and anticipation for the morning to come. For many, the night of December 24th is also a time of hope. It's a reminder of the goodness in the world and the power of love to bring people together. Whether it's through grand celebrations or quiet moments of reflection, the spirit of Christmas Eve touches everyone in its own way. It's a night that celebrates the best of humanity, reminding us all of the importance of compassion, connection, and the simple joys of life. As the world sleeps, the story of Christmas continues, unfolding in hearts and homes everywhere. The magic of December 24th is not confined to any one place or tradition. It's a universal celebration of love, hope, and joy. And as morning breaks, bringing with it the excitement of Christmas Day, the memories of this special night linger, a testament to the enduring spirit of the season.